and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. Today it is Tuesday, December the 16th of 2025, and I am coming at you guys with a Kroger couponing deals video for today. I know, this is so weird. I don't normally do Kroger stuff on Tuesdays. However, guys, we got some new deals that are literally ending today, and we had to do a video about them because they're that good. We have 99-cent laundry detergent, crazy cheap dog treats, crazy cheap like cereal bars. We just got deals. We got so many deals to talk about. I am so excited to share them all in this video. You're going to want to run to Kroger like today because a lot of these end today. So you've got to get over there and get in on these deals. So excited. I was waiting, especially with the Arm & Hammer. I was like, oh, I wish we had a rebate for this. And then one finally pops up. So I'm so stoked. Can't wait to share it in this video. So in the description box below, I do have a link to the printable breakdown. You can print it out, bring it with you in the store. If you're on your phone, it's available. Please make sure to actually watch the video. That is what helps me out. Lets me continue to bring these videos each week. But I do have that down below, so you don't have to hammer everything out, unless, of course, you want to, which is cool as well. And then also, if you guys have not already signed up for the rebate apps, go ahead and get signed up. Have all my referral codes down below for that. So anyways, let's just dive right into our Kroger deals for today. Oh my goodness, we have such an awesome deal for laundry detergent at Kroger. This is incredible, especially if you're in a half-price store. It's amazing. So the Arm & Hammer detergent, these guys are $9.99. They're buy one, get one free. If you're at a half-price store, you can just buy one for $4.99. And there's a $4 rebate on Ibotta. So it just makes it 99 cents, which is incredible. If you're in a true BOGO store like myself, where you actually have to buy one at full price, and the second will ring up for $0, pick up two for $9.99 total, and then you can submit the $4 rebate on Ibotta, making it ends up being $5.99 for $2 or $3 each. But here's the deal. I still think that's really good, and I'm even personally going to do it because this is a humongous bottle of detergent, 105 loads. So I usually like to pay like $1 or so for like a smaller bottle for like 25, 30 loads. But here you're getting 105 loads for like $3. I definitely think this fits in my buy price. So regardless, it's a great deal, but especially if you're in a half price store, crazy awesome deal on detergent. But this is going to end today, so you got to get to Kroger and do this one. Oh my goodness, guys, we have such an amazing deal on the pepperoni dog treats at Kroger. So these guys, the 5.6 ounce bags, they are $3.79, but they're buy one, get one free. Again, this ends today, so you got to run on this. $3.79. If you're in a store that is a half price BOGO, you're still going to buy two, but here's why. So they're going to ring up for $1.90 a piece. So go ahead and buy two. You're going to submit over to Ibotta for $1 back, which you'll get back times two for buying two. And then Fetch has 1,900 points back when you buy two, which is worth $1.41 if you use your Fetch points for a $5 Kroger gift card. So after that, it ends up making it 38 cents for both, or 19 cents each, which is incredible. If you're in a true BOGO store like mine, you actually did buy 4 bags. So $3.79, $3.79, and then 2 are free. You're going to submit to Ibotta for $1 back times 2 because it's limit 2. And then submit for that Fetch rebate, and it makes it $4.17 for 4 or $1.04 each. Either way, a really great deal. There is a 50-cent printable coupon on the Kellanova website, which I will have in the description for you guys. So it ends up making it $1.30, which is awesome. And then, let's say you're in a true BOGO like myself. You're going to buy 2 for $3.59. You're going to use the 50-cent coupon on the one you're paying for. You'll pay $3.09 for both. Still a pretty good deal. Cheaper than the Kroger brand for sure. So nice. All right, so really good deal on the Fage Creamy Dreamy Yogurts. So these guys at Kroger are $1.25 on sale, down from $1.69. And there is a rebate on Ibotta for 50 cents back. So it makes it 75 cents. Be aware, do not look for these in the regular yogurt. I made that mistake the first time I got these. It's actually backed by the Jell-O and stuff, like the refrigerated Jell-O. So that's where you should look for these, but a really good deal for 75 cents each. Nice deal on the Velveeta cheese dips. So these guys over here at Kroger, they are $3.99 each. We have a super high value rebate over on Shopkick. It's for $2.90 back, which is 725 kicks between buy and scans. So that ends up making them $1.09. And there are actually rebates for the queso con salsa, queso blanco, and like a jalapeno queso. If they had that here, they don't have that here. But actually, it's limit 5 on each of those. If you want to really stock up, you can, but awesome. All right, so we have a really good deal here on the Bob's Red Mill Artisan Bread Flour. So this is normally $6.99, but it's on the mega event for $3.99. And we have $1.75 back on Ibotta, so it actually just makes it $2.24. So an excellent, excellent deal. All right, such an awesome deal here for the Treetop apple juice. So the Treetop, this is normally actually as much as $5.49 a bottle. That is insane, but they're on the mega event for $1.99, which is already really good. That's a really good deal. However, we're going to sweeten the really good deal because we have a fetch rebate for $1.30 back if you buy 2. That's 1,750 points. So that's what that's worth if you use your points to get a $5 Kroger gift card. So after that, it makes it $2.68 for both or $1.34 a bottle. So a really great deal. Cereal deals this week at Kroger with our mega event. So the best one's on Cheerios. The Cheerios are $3.99, but they're on the mega event. If you buy 3 or more of the items that are included, you get them for $1.99. We have $1 off of 2 digital coupon, so go ahead and use that. You'll pay $2.98 for both of the register, and then Ibotta has 50 cents back on Cheerios, and you get that back times 2 for buying 2. Makes it $1.98 for both, or 99 cents each. And then we do have some other deals. I mean, it includes checks and like Lucky Charms and all those. These guys are also $1.99, and there's $1 on 2 rebate on Ibotta for these. So if you're doing the digital coupon and the Ibotta for the Cheerios, then you'll have another Ibotta for $1 back on 2 General Mills cereals that works on these. So you get that back, making them $1.49 a box. So great deals for cereal. All right, guys, this is all I have for this Kroger Deals video. I really hope you all did enjoy. Make sure you come back tomorrow because we still got a Kroger video tomorrow, too. We're going to be talking about any new things that have popped up, as well as some resets. But I just had to bring you guys this video today because it's just so good over at Kroger right now. So good. But anyways, guys, that's all I got. Hope you all enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.